After 8 years of studying for a job in healthcare and then another 3 years of working in healthcare, I found out that the organization I've been working for is closing down operations at the end of the year. And so for the first time in perhaps all of my eldest daughter years, I've had a lot more time to breathe. Hey friends, it's Em here and welcome back to my channel, Elevate with Em, where as a health consultant, I teach you how to elevate your life with health and with wealth. So if you want to elevate your lifestyle too, make sure to like and subscribe. For this video, I'm trying out a more of a mini vlog like style for this video, just to show you all what I've been up to since the first week of after hearing the news. But if you prefer a more specific topical way of learning on how to take care of your health, feel free to check out my other videos because that's kind of what they're more like. But if you like this style, please leave me a comment below so I know that people actually watch this and they actually like this style more. But yeah, moving on, the first week of hearing the news was honestly probably the hardest for me. But after meeting with some close friends and taking the time to kind of flounder around and grieve more, I feel like slowly but surely I'm kind of making my way out of the caverns. I still feel like I'm in the dark, honestly, trying to grasp for my surroundings to make a sense of what I'm quote-unquote supposed to do or what I should make my next goal. But I also feel like I'm pretty excited for this uncharted territory. I've always been the kind of person to have a lot of passions and interests, so visiting friends and family, cooking for my parents and grandma, and testing out new recipes has been quite the blessing during this more slower and less structured era of my life. I wanted to share some of my journal excerpts with you guys just so I can also look back on this too and really think about all the different things that honestly I'm so blessed to have even in a moment of a lot of uncertainty. So 3 things I'm going to share are 3 things I'm thankful for, 3 things I learned and overcame, and 3 things I'm looking forward to. The first thing that I'm really thankful for is the salvation of my immediate family. I feel like even though there's so many things that are really uncertain in this period of life, the one thing that I think is the most important thing to be sure about is salvation. And I'm so thankful for my own salvation as well as my parents and my family, because family is just really so important to me. And the second one, honestly, is also, true friends and true Christian friends who really care for me. I feel like this is kind of the first season in a while where I feel like I'm able to be vulnerable with other girls, honestly, just because of a lot of past experiences of not having such great female friendships before. But I think being able to know who I can really rely on and just cry out to for help in a moment of need or uncertainty and anxiety, I think has been such a huge blessing for me and has really helped me to actually quite quickly, I think, move from being really desperate and anxious to being really peaceful and calm and more eager, honestly, for what's to come. And the last one is kind of a little petty thing, but we got a new coffee machine, which I've been ecstatic about. Like, I have always loved making lattes when I was a barista before, and so being able to make it at home while saving some money has been amazing. And 3 things I learned, I guess one of them honestly is to learn how to make coffee again, and then 2 would be to test out new recipes. I love cooking for my family, especially if it means that I can make them healthy while saving money, so I've been doing a lot of that, which is great. And I think also just learning to not rush the timeline of just my life. I think especially at church, there's a lot of girls who want to get married super early, but truly everyone is in their own timeline. And I think being able to just embrace that and realize there's so many blessings at the perfect time that God has for me has been something that has really been great for me to know. The last lesson that I really learned is that life is really a marathon. I know that we're really taught to just be in this constant cycle of schedule this, 9 to 5 this all the time. And for many people that works great. I think a lot of times people, including myself, need some sort of routine. But I think realizing that you can choose and you have the freedom to do really whatever it is that you want. I mean, as long as you, I guess, understand the pros and cons of your different life choices, but realizing that I'm not constrained to do one specific job, even though I went to school for it. It's just like relearning new things like, oh yeah, everyone knows that they have freedom, but I feel like I can actually act on that now. And the 3 things I'm looking forward to is, as always, focusing on my health more as a health consultant, working on Instagram collaborations, and improving my YouTube. So stay tuned for more. See ya!